Thus began the construction of the world's longest dam. To haul the vast amount of material needed at the site, a special railway line was laid. Meanwhile, survey, material testing and soil research continued as a vital preliminary to the actual construction of the dam. At the dam site, 8 miles from Sambalpur, the face of the valley began to change. And so did the face of a once tired and exhausted people. Gone was the pallor and apathy of the past. Gone too was the feeling of defeat and despair. Their frail bodies found a new dynamic energy. By now, the workers' colony too had grown. Apart from the flourishing market, there was a school for children and also a new hospital. Work continued simultaneously on several fronts. But hands alone could not build Hirakud.